this one, we're gonna be taking this 08 Plus STI, putting in a stock Jdm Ej20x long block, and slapping on this big power turbo. It's a blouch 20G, and then it will need this matching super huge inlet. So place your bets now. Will it blow up, or will it do something maybe pretty okay? Let's find out. All right, so step one here, we're gonna get the motor out. Here we are back with the motor out of the car. I got the intake manifold off it and moving along, but I think I've figured out what happened to this motor. So if you look right here, it looks like the block cap had come off, and then some of the motor came out of the block cap. All right, so yeah, now that I've showed you guys the engine cap there, I'll show you what actually happened. So it was likely cylinder 4 ringland. Why this happened on this motor was, I think it was tuned for 21 PSI. For whatever reason, it was over boosting at like 25, 26 PSI and was kind of neglected in ever being rectified. And then ultimately she pooed her pants. That's it. Let's crack it open.
Oh, I see piston rings.
Yeah, I see a lot of activity in there.
There you go. For those of you wondering, you can just bend those back after. It's perfectly fine.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
I see burn.
Everything in there.
Yeah, that's wicked.
Just bits of piston rings, and yeah, this is the bearing.
And this is all just caused from that engine cap, the block cap.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you see some rod bolt. There's so much good activity in there. Oh, that's extreme carnage. Wow. Wow.
There you go, folks. Make sure you check your engine caps, or else this is gonna happen.
Yep. All right, with the STI up and running good, everything is ready to go. So now we're gonna take it for a tune and see what it does. I feel like with this turbo, it's capable of a lot more power than a 20X should take. So we're probably aiming for 350, 360 wheel horse, and we would stop there. So we'll take you along for the tune, see how it goes.